Nope, we're still not at the carousel yet. That's because Buffalo just keeps surprising me. I cannot believe how much Buffalo has changed. Now I know it's not the summertime. I keep saying it's first week in November, so it's the winter time. It just has to be a really nice day out. It's definitely off season. But here's this beautiful courtyard here. It appears to be just completely open to the public. And they actually have like foosball table. It's probably just for anybody to play. I mean, when it's in season. Then I saw a ping pong table over here. Oh yeah, and this is a little ice cream shop. Look at that. You get ice cream. Oh, okay, that's why all these tables are here too. Nice little bench around the trees. Maybe I'll go over here. Sit in the courtyard here. Maybe it will be a thumbnail, maybe it won't. I don't know. But anyways, I didn't stay there long enough. I'm just so excited. Buffalo is really surprising me here. There's something else over here too. Maybe it's like a little place to eat. Now we're almost to the Carousel Museum. This actually could be part of the carousel. This could actually be part of it. It's a little place to eat. Oh yeah. It's got some food, some stuff to drink, some non-alcoholic beverages, popping stuff. And up there you got hot dog, $5, cheeseburger, $7, dino nuggets, $5, curly fries, $5, French fry board. I don't know what that is. Even got some more stuff over here. Soft pretzel, $4. Nachos with cheese, $5. There you go. Fruit cup, $2. Get some healthy items. Grilled chicken sandwich, $8. I'm not going to say the other one, but for the whole thing it was because Quantoa. I don't know. I'm not into that kind of food. Sorry guys if I'm offending you, but I'm not. They do have some pop machines out here. Oh, they even have an ATM machine. Look at that. Alright, I'm just going to keep rolling because I'm right here at the Carousel Museum. Buffalo Heritage Carousel. I hope they're open. Let's see. It says 12. I don't know what time it is. It's past 12. I know that. Entry side door today. Alright. Entrance, side door. Alrighty. Take my glasses off. Hello. Hi.
I'm asking here.
Okay. Oh, I don't know if I didn't bring it. Oh, thank you. You got one. Thank you. Okay, got my mask on. Is this where I get my ticket?
Yes, it is.
All right. Do you take cash?
I do.
All right.
Surprising.
I know. Nowadays you don't know. How much is it?
$1.
Oh, that's a bargain. Wow.
Perfect.
All right.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
Over.
Right there? Okay. All right, looks like I'm going to get on this one. I did it quick enough. Yay!
Thank you.
Yep.
The animals in the outer ring do not go up and down. The animals on the inner two rings do go up and down.
Okay.
Climb on the deck here and you go around anywhere you're going.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Am I filming? I'm filming. Had to mask up. Don't know why, but we had to mask up. Look at this.
Welcome to the Buffalo Heritage Carousel. The ride is about to start. Once you hear the bell ring, please remain seated until the ride has stopped and you hear the bell ring a second time. Thank you.
Hope the carousel music's not copywritten. I'll have to take it out. why that's designed like that. That's a little weird.
You're welcome.
you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. That's it, guys. Buffalo Carousel at Canal side.
I don't know if it's there. What is there?
Looks like they got some sand dunes over here. I don't know why we had a still wheel mass in there. I don't know. That confused me. But hey, whatever. It's a new COVID world, I guess. Okay, so we're allowed to go into this sand.
Yeah.
Here, not really sure what it's for. Yeah, they got this big sand pit here. Thought maybe volleyball, but no, definitely not volleyball. Maybe it's just for kids to play in. No, that would make sense. No dogs. Hopefully no cats too, because they just all pee in there and poop. I don't know what that's for. Big sandbox for kids to play in, get all sandy, and then jump back in mom and daddy's car. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or not, but
Hey,
Hey, what are you doing with that?
that's it for now.
I want to play.